Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Did y'all see that? I didn't know what it was, so I decided to go to investigate. So, still from the Bali Pier, Central Pattaya is right there. And the place where we saw inflatable figurines is over there. Once I got here, I immediately went to the beach. And as y'all can see, the water level was really down. Anyway, this is what we came here for. It was at this moment that I realized that Mart was actually a shop inside of the mall. So I went back inside to look for it. And once inside, I saw that they were selling figurines whose value was equivalent to that of some Pokemon cards. Once that I seen what it was, I did some window shopping. Then I ate. So that was it. I hope that you'll appreciate just like I did. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.